What's up? Welcome! Kumusta po kayo? What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Jay Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today, welcome back for another unboxing day. The one that I pick up mostly Nike, and we got some Supreme right here. If that interests you, let's do this. I think this is the last pickup from Supreme. Oop. What we got here? I forgot what we have here. Okay, I remember now. So we have the Supreme Zippo lighter. Check that out. Well, I was kind of surprised when they dropped this one, and I was kind of a little bit almost too late to get it, and I still got lucky. I got one, and this could be a nice good one for the collection. Moving on with the another unboxing here from Nike. Okay. Familiar logo, huh? Alright, okay, so let's unbox also the other one before we do all of it. We got some Jordan box. Oh, okay, I remember now. These stuff are kind of hard to get when they drop. Starting off with this Jordan, we got here a Jordan 1 center court, and the colorway is the white. Ooh, wow. That is nice. That is premium leather. Okay, so if you're not familiar of this Jordan 1 center court, it is the one that Michael Jordan, he was wearing this one on the interview during the documentary of The Last Dance. So a lot of people noticed this one he was wearing. Then he was, because I saw some of comments what he was wearing. Is that Jordan or something? And yes, it is Jordan. So right off the bat, it's just like you think it's just simple white, all white and white, and a little bit details that kind of gives more premium. First up is just the leather quality, soft. I would say this is kind of a little bit more tumble leather. The wings in here on the back, kind of part of the lateral side or the heel, somewhere here the wings or Air Jordan wings, and another Air Jordan wings on the back. This one is just the bigger part, and we got the Air Jordan on the top. What is that? Okay, so what is that? Okay, so I was kind of surprised. I don't know what is this. Is this some kind of Jordan thumb mark? It's a kind of grayish thing. Maybe someone out there could point out me the correct term on this one. It's just kind of ooh, yay! Okay, now it's more surprise. Okay, so here, hey, okay, so this is more surprise. I think this is a thumb mark here in the thumb, and here on the other side, which is this one. This one is the left side, and this one is the right. And as you can see, that is signature. Whoa, Michael Jordan signature, man. So it's not just like what typical white Jordan leather with a good quality, but then there's a hidden treasure out there That one right there. Well, I didn't really know. This one's kind of hard to get online. We have here the Kobe 6 Pro Throat and the Grinch Apple Black Crimson colorway. Retail is 180, and this is no way near my size, so it's not gonna be in the collection. We have here size 16. Size 16. Man. Okay, let's see. Let's see them in hand, if they're really nice or what. Ooh. Good one that they put on extra lace to have some option. Okay. Look at that color. Wow. A signature on the back. That Mamba on the tongue, logo Mamba on the tongue. The Nike Zoom, another one on the outsole, and look at those. I'm not really sure what kind of design is this one, but it's kind of 3D effect. They still have the out trigger right here. I like always to have that one in the basketball shoes. It's really nice. It's not just the everyday shoe that you could wear if you want to go out, but it is really nice to have them if you are balling. But nonetheless, this is a good and nice quality shoes with that colorway. You can't go wrong on this one, and the price skyrocketing on this one, so the demand is there, and I got lucky that I could still scoop one pair, even though it's not my size 16. Lot of heat today. So what do you think of what today's unboxing? Would you prefer to keep them or resell them? So for me, this one definitely on the collection. This will grow old on me. With that colorway, any age wouldn't go. Okay, so if you still like to ball and this is not bad for you and I like it, I would want it if I'm still doing basketball. So with that said, what do you think of this video? What do you think of this unboxing? What do you think of this sneaker? And if you got them, are you still gonna resell them? I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below. And if you really like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. So with that said, thank you for watching. Jay Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.